In this video, I am going to show you how to add image in WordPress website. So let's get started. At first, we are going to see how we can add images in WordPress posts, and then we are going to see how we can add images in Elementor pages. So log into your WordPress website dashboard, and then from the left menu, just click on post and then click on all posts. Now edit the post where you want to add the image. Now if you want to add an image in between the elements that are already present on your post, just place the cursor in between the elements, and here you will see a plus button or add block button. Just click on it, and here you will see image widget. If you do not see it, just search for it and then click on image. Now if you want to upload the image from your computer, just click on upload button. Now select the image that you want to upload and then click on open. And as you can see that our image is now added to our WordPress website post. If you want to replace this image or use any other image from your media library, just click on replace and then click on open media library. Media library contains all the images that you have uploaded to your WordPress website. Select the image that you want to replace with and then click on select. And as you can see that our image is now successfully replaced. Now click on update from the top. And if you want to view your post, just click on view post. So this is how you can add images to WordPress posts. And now we are going to see how we can add images to the WordPress pages. So we will go back to our WordPress website dashboard. And from here we are going to click on pages and then all pages. And now we are going to edit the page where we want to add the images. So we are going to edit this page with Elementor. And on the left menu, you will see all the widgets. So here is the image widget. So we are going to drag this widget to the page. And now we are going to choose the image. We can insert the image from our media library, or we can upload images from our computer. So we are going to select the image from our media library and then click on select. And as you can see that our image is now added. You can easily change its alignment from the left side. So here is the alignment section. So we can change it from here. So I want to add this image on the left side. So I'm going to select left. And as you can see that our image is now properly aligned. So now we are going to update the page. Just click on update button. And our page will be updated. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.